Let's be real. Business today moves at lightning speed. Customer expectations shift, markets evolve, and change is the only constant. Yet too many teams are stuck following rigid plans, leaving them scrambling when the unexpected happens. Winston Churchill said it best: "To improve is to change, to be perfect is to change often." That's why the fourth value of the Agile Manifesto, responding to change over following a plan, is super relevant. You've likely experienced challenges like delivering value to customers too late for it to make an impact, sticking to plans that no longer make sense as the project evolves, or overlooking key feedback because there's no time to adjust along the way. These roadblocks don't just slow you down. They can prevent your team from delivering the results that really matter. This course is here to change all that. We'll show you how embracing change can unlock new opportunities for growth. Using the Lucid Visual Collaboration Suite, you'll learn how to identify and address problems along the way, so nothing gets in the way of progress. How to use data and insights to adjust your work and make smart decisions. And how to create feedback loops that keep both customer and team insights at the heart of continuous improvement. Are you ready to lead your team through change and into success? Open the team space from the previous courses and let's dive in.